What's the meaning of clueless? Clueless. Clueless.
Clueless. Clueless. The term clueless refers to a person who is completely lacking in knowledge, understanding, or awareness about a particular situation or subject matter. This individual may be ignorant of important details, and as a result, may come across as naive or even foolish. Being clueless can be detrimental to one's personal and professional life, as it can lead to miscommunication, missed opportunities, and poor decision-making. Ultimately, it is essential for individuals to stay informed and knowledgeable about the world around them in order to avoid being labeled as clueless.